Welcome to 1 Minute English for Construction Workers. Today, we will learn about impact wrench. Now we practice the word together. Impact wrench. Impact wrench. We use an impact wrench to tighten and loosen nuts and bolts. Impact wrenches can be powered by electricity, compressed air, or batteries. Many impact wrenches have adjustable torque settings. This is especially useful when we are using delicate or easily damaged fasteners. The use of impact wrenches also includes special impact sockets that are designed to withstand the high torque generated, ensuring safe and efficient operations. Now, let's practice the word again. Impact wrench. Impact wrench. That's all for today. Bye.